Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with, I believe, 25, what did I want? 24, 25. I look at a piece of paper I've been doing videos back to back and I forgot what number I just said. But anyway, this comes from Tina. And so today, this is actually, I got this on the 30th, so she got her stuff in on time. I will go back to check on the 31st. This video won't be up for a couple of days, so it's probably going to be in February by the time you see this video. But her stuff is in on time. So I'm going to check tomorrow to see if I got anybody else stuff that came in. Because it will be closed tomorrow, the end of the month, the 31st. Even though this video may be up a couple of days later, because I'm trying to let everybody show their videos individually. Oh, so I will be having, after I show the last video, in that video I will announce, after I go tomorrow, I'm going to make sure there's no more left. But if anybody hasn't seen the video, inbox me, DM me, whatever, email me to let me know, hey, I sent something, I just want to make sure, because I've been having issues with the postman. So please let me know if your item hasn't arrived. So anyway, this is what Tina sent. Look at this bag. She altered the bag and it says happy birthday. And you see this is in red glitter. And she's got some gold glitter up here as well. And it's in the colors. So let's dig right in and see. You live in the same state that my sister lives in. Oh, this is pretty. So this is a nice paper, and on this paper you can see like birch trees in the background, and she's got some red birds. I don't know if she's edited those birds or is it already on the paper, but it's a nice touch. That's a nice paper. And she's got some gray washi. Everything is coordinating. Ooh. All right, so we're going to start with the card. So she does have a bird on this. So I'm wondering, I think she might have put those birds up there as well. But I thought, you know, that's a neat idea. If you did, if it's already up there and you followed, I don't know, but it's pretty neat. Oh, and the back of that, just got that up there. I don't know if that was already up there. Because it feels a little dimensional. I don't know if you altered it was already up there, but that's pretty cool too. So anyway, this envelope has a nice glittered bird on the front and has some washi on the back. So let's just jump right in and see what she made. How pretty. A little bird told me. So she's got a silver base card, silver glitter. And it's got a black butterfly. Whoops, I'm dropping the goodies out. Confetti mail. And you got your red pretty flowers, Lord have mercy, birds in the tree. And you know, our state is a cardinal, which is a red bird. And it says, it's your birthday. And she's got it topped off with some nice black trim. And again, like I said, she's put some nice confetti in here that says, happy birthday. Nice touch. Thank you so much. And she's got a little note. Hi, Dawn. Hope you had a wonderful birthday. Hashtag November is awesome. Yes, it is. I enjoy creating these pieces for your challenge. Your color scheme allowed me to venture out of my comfort zone a little. Everybody has said that, so I'm glad I did do that, because I kept thinking, you know, I wanted memory decks, but I wanted it to be different and challenging. So I'm glad everybody found it a good creative challenge. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing the other entries and more videos from you. Your friend, Tanya, Scrappin' Happy. Alrighty. So that is the card that she made. And again, everything came in on time, even though this video may be up late. Everything she sent is on time, so she does get an entry for being on time. Wow, this is so cute. So look at this ATC. It says, you're a gem. I love this. It's got a diamond, 2 diamonds here, and this diamond is actually popped up. It's got diamonds in the corner. That is so pretty. I love that, and it's nice and sparkly with the gold on top. You know, and I love diamonds because that's my baby girl, my only daughter. You know, and her name is Diamond, so I just, you know, I'm just drawing the diamonds. I love diamonds, so that's what made me name her that. Because she was being named after, she was gonna be named after me, but Diamond was gonna be her nickname, and I said no. Right before she was born, Diamond's got to be her name. Dawn's gonna be her middle name. So thank you. That's so pretty. And then she made me this beautiful memory decks card, and as you can see, she's got this fern, but it is in red, and she's got a black glittered butterfly, and the word hello is in glitter, and the background is also in that glitter paper, so everything is that shimmery metallic, and it says hello. And on the back, I cover up her address, but she's got roses, a bouquet of roses, and she's got some bling. And her channel is Tina Scrappin' Happy. Oh, your birthday is the same birthday as my mom's. Yes, November rocks. That's my mom's birthday. It's the same exact day as yours. And her style is clean and simple. And all right, and you're down there with my sister. So thank you so much, Tina, for participating, and I thank you for your entry. And everybody, I have everybody points, and so I'm going to do one more last check. And so by the time this video up, I'm sure it'll be February, but I will let you know if there's any more entries, and then we will be having the drawing. So thank you, ladies, so much. This has been such an awesome adventure for me to see all these creative stuff, how people took these colors. I mean, when I see y'all have knocked it out the box, knocked it out the box. So thank you so much. Check out her channel. I will have her information in the box below, so you can check out her channel and give her some love and support as well. So you guys take care. God bless, and I dare you to be creative.